This video does not replace operator training or the operator's manual. Operators are responsible to read, understand, and follow all safety rules and instructions in the Operators and Responsibilities manuals. Operators are required to demonstrate their understanding of all training to a qualified trainer prior to operating any aerial work platform. This video will familiarize you on how to assemble the Genie Super Straddle lift. Before getting started, find a firm, level surface to use as your workspace. Assembly requires 2 people to safely maneuver and support the Genie Super Straddle lift components during this process. There are 12 pieces that make up the Genie Super Straddle lift. Assembly begins with the end frames. First, set the caster swivel locks parallel to the straddle platform tubes. Then apply the caster brakes to both. Then make sure the winch cable is completely lowered. The next step is to attach the end frame with the base frame label to the straddle platform. One person supports the main end frame, while the other attaches it to the straddle platform with wear pads, bolts, washers, and wing nuts. Position the wear pad with the cutouts facing out. Then secure it with 2 bolts. Be sure that the wing nuts are on the outside of the base frame. Repeat these steps to attach the second telescoping tube to the telescoping end frame. Now you're ready to connect the electrical cords. There are 2. Make sure they're firmly plugged together. This completes the assembly of the first end frame. Now repeat these steps to assemble the telescoping base end frame and attach the telescoping tubes to it. Now you're ready to attach a Genie AWP lift to the Genie Super Straddle lift. Release both swivel caster brakes and align the base frame behind the fully lowered Genie AWP lift. Next, install the 4 straddle sockets into the Genie AWP outrigger pockets. Make sure the straddle sockets are installed right side up, and the retaining pins pop in place. Once they're secured, carefully push the base frame through all 4 straddle sockets. This may require 2 people. Be sure the straddle sockets are over the alignment spacers on the base frame. Next, insert the straddle socket retaining pins through the 2 straddle sockets closest to the fixed casters. Be sure the holes are aligned and the pin is completely inserted. Next, align the telescoping base frame in front of the Genie AWP lift. Then insert and push it into the base frame, adjusting it to the desired length. Insert the 2 remaining straddle socket retaining pins through the straddle length adjustment holes, making sure that the pins are completely inserted. Unhook the cords from the storage positions and connect the plugs in each of the straddle sockets. There are 4 sockets. Be sure the plugs are secure. Loosen winch to remove winch bar assembly. Attach lift bar to straddle platform. The Genie AWP lift comes equipped with 4 outriggers. Install these outriggers at each corner of the Genie Super Straddle lift. Lock the swivel casters closest to the object to be straddled in the desired direction of travel. To lock the swivel caster, pull out on the ring, turn the ring 90 degrees, and let go. Install frame retaining pins at each corner of the Genie Super Straddle lift and release the tension on the winch cable. To insert frame retaining pins, align the holes and lift up on the gray tab on the pin retaining interlock box. Now the Genie Super Straddle lift is ready to be pushed over the object to be straddled. Once positioned, apply all 4 swivel caster brakes. Then adjust the outrigger screw jacks so that the pads are in firm contact with the ground and the casters are slightly off the ground. Use the bubble level on the Genie AWP lift to level the straddle platform. The bubble level is on the base of the Genie AWP lift below the interlock display. Then place the ladder on the Genie Super Straddle lift directly below the basket entry. Now the Genie Super Straddle lift is fully operational and ready to be used. You should now have a basic understanding of the operating characteristics of the Genie Super Straddle lift. Remember, this program does not replace Genie operator training or the Genie operator's manual. Operators are responsible to be fully trained and to read, understand, and follow all safety rules and instructions in the Operators and Responsibilities manuals.